Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to do a natural whistle. As you can see, this is I don't know what this is called, but just cut it off this one. Let me show you how. First, you just take off this one. Okay, just like this. This one. Alright. So this part will look like this. Right, you just cut off this one. Alright, just like this, exactly. After that, just use a small piece of the leaf, the side one, which is the hard part. Soon after you do this, alright, just make a piece of the leaf, the hard part, just cut it down like that. Alright, so your whistle is done. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and click like. Thanks.